I think a big part of it is I learned not to compare myself to others. It's more about looking at what they're doing, not who they are. So I saw a guy with a ladder and he put a can of oil up to an engine. I could do that. Shoot. I wear pants too. That's fine. So I think a lot of people get discouraged from jobs because they listen to the experiences of other people and they mistake those opinions for facts about the job. It happens frequently at work, especially because with COVID, I haven't worked out in about 2 years, smaller than I was. And so sometimes at work now, if I am trying to do something at like extremely high torque or whereas some guys are just like, just lift it, just lift this actuator that's like 200 pounds and just bring it down. You don't need the hoist. So things like that, I've seen women think that, you have to keep up with the guys. You have to do it or else they're going to say, oh, see, a woman can't do this job. I've had to learn to adjust my expectations or to see it as I'm not trying to be like anyone. I'm not trying to compare myself to anyone, especially like, I'll be the first one to say it. Women and men, our bodies different. And just individually, our bodies all different. I can outlive some men and I can't outlive some men. It's about work smart, not hard. Do what is best for you. Look out for your own health